In this video, I'll guide you through how to create your first Databricks workspace. Whether you're a data enthusiast or a seasoned professional looking to harness the power of Databricks, setting up your first workspace is a crucial step. Don't worry if this is your first time. I'll walk you through each step with clarity and ease. To begin, let's navigate to the left-hand sidebar of your Databricks interface. Here, you'll see various options, but for now, we're going to focus on the Workspaces tab. Clicking on this tab will take you to the central hub where all your projects and data come to life. It's essentially the heart of your Databricks experience, so getting comfortable with this area is key to your success. Once you're in the Workspaces section, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a blue button labeled Create Workspace. This is your gateway to starting a new project. Clicking this button will initiate the process of setting up your workspace. It's exciting because this is where your data journey truly begins. Now, after clicking the button, you'll need to configure the workspace details. This is an important step, so take your time to ensure everything is set just the way you need it. You'll be prompted to enter specific information about your workspace. This might include naming your workspace, selecting a region if applicable, or other details specific to your organization's requirements. Naming your workspace thoughtfully can help you and your team easily identify it later, especially if you plan to manage multiple workspaces. As you configure these details, consider what you'll be using the workspace for. Is it for a specific project, a department within your organization, or perhaps for personal experimentation? Tailoring your workspace settings to match its intended use can streamline your workflow and enhance productivity. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, review everything carefully. Double-checking your configurations ensures that everything is correct and that you won't encounter any issues later on. When you're satisfied with your setup, go ahead and confirm the creation of your workspace. Congratulations, you've just created your first Databricks workspace. From here, you can begin importing data, writing and running code, and collaborating with others to bring your data projects to life. Remember, creating a workspace is just the start. There's a whole world of data waiting to be explored and analyzed. If you're new to Databricks, take some time to familiarize yourself with the interface. Explore the various features and tools available in your workspace. Understanding these elements can greatly enhance your ability to work effectively within the platform. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you feel confident in setting up and navigating your Databricks workspace. Thanks for watching and happy data exploring.